What's up guys, this is Tyler with Rev Rides. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the rugged folding clamp on your Zero 10X or 8X. This should fix any squeaking or any wobbling that you're getting out of the folding stem. This is a lot heavier duty than the stock clamp and it's a great addition to your scooter. So here's the new rugged clamp. This is everything that you receive with it. We've got the shim that goes underneath the folding stem. This is the old clamp. You can see that the new clamp is quite a bit thicker, it has higher grade bolts, and it's also taller. You can see that it's quite a bit taller. It's overall a much better design and solves a lot of the issues with the stock clamp. Today for tools, we're going to be using our Fix-It sticks with the 6mm Allen and the 4mm Allen, and then we're going to be using a 1/2" socket with a 3/8 drive. Let's get to it. All right, so we're going to start with the scooter folded. It's going to give us a little bit better access to getting everything off here. I've loosened up the clamp so it slides really easily. And then we're going to take our Allen, insert it on this side, and then our 1/2" socket, and take loose this nut. All right, got the nut off. Then you should be able to thread this out. Okay. And then once you get it almost all the way out here, you should be able to take the pressure off of it and pull it straight out. And then we'll set this to the side. This clamp will slide right off. We'll go ahead and put the shim in. And then we can slide our new clamp on. We want the bolts facing the front of the scooter and then the slot in the back to be facing up. Then we'll reinsert our stem. Put our bolt back in. Now we can put our nut back on this side. Tighten it all back up. All right, so now that the clamp's on, the first time that you unfold it with this new shim, it's going to be pretty tight. So we've moved the scooter to the ground. We're gonna lift up on the stem. I usually put my foot on the rear fin here, and then we're just gonna push this forward. It's gonna be nice and firm. So now that the clamp is in place, we can loosen the jacking bolt. That's gonna make the clamp pretty tight. You want to see a little bit of a gap here, maybe just a little bit more than that. And then we're going to take the red clamps, tighten them up, lock them over. All right, then I like to grab the handlebars, move them back and forth, make sure that there's no unwanted play, no squeaking. And then we'll come back down and just snug up this jacking screw. And this is just to make sure that it doesn't fall out or move while you're riding. Now that you've got your rugged clamp on there, you shouldn't have any more movement from your front stem. You shouldn't have any more squeaking. If you do have any noise or squeaking coming from the front area of your scooter, a silicone lubricant can help alleviate that. You don't want to use WD-40 or anything that might attract dust. All right, so that's it for today, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe, and have a good day.